portions of Howard County, and that's right around the Savage area. You're seeing pretty much some very gusty winds here. A little bit of a notching feature just along 32. This is going to go until 3:45, and then we're starting to get some cell merger here, storm cell merger that's coming from Baltimore back down through the Lakeshore area. These cells, they may not have a tornado warning on them, but still likely producing winds upwards of 60 to 70 miles per hour. We had a lot of juice in the atmosphere today. Temperatures up close to 90 degrees, if not over that mark. Some sunshine went a long way, and up to the north, not much going on, just some run-of-the-mill shower and thunderstorm activity. A little bit of wind I would expect coming in to the 83 quarter up towards Parkton, eventually pushing towards Jarrettsville, and our friends up here towards Baldwin, as well as portions up towards along the Troyer area over towards Moncton, where they do not want to see it. This is Columbia right now. Once again, you can see that rain falling down pretty heavily here. Temperature right around 80 degrees, southwesterly breeze at 7 miles per hour. Wind-whipped rain. You can kind of see how poor the visibility is as those winds start to blow in. Once again, the radar velocities earlier had those winds gusting upwards of 60, maybe even 70 miles per hour when we sampled them on the velocity map. But overall, this is kind of what it looks like outside in Columbia right now. We still want you in that safe spot. All the walls around you, whether it's the innermost closet or the basement, the bathroom, that's your tornado safety areas. If we can go over to the weather graphics 1, there you go. There's that velocity signature. Not as impressive as it was back across portions of Howard County, but we're still going to be with you until 3:45. Right now it's 3:42, so 3 minutes to go on the warning. That warning also has been left in the Howard County, but severe thunderstorm warnings across portions of Baltimore City and northern portions of Anne Arundel County. Those go until 4:15. They still do have a possible tornado text on them, so we want you to take your tornado precautions as necessary, and we want you to stay away from the windows because of the very gusty winds that are going to be blowing on through. Marcus, if you can tilt down here towards Lakeshore, also seeing a gust of wind, northern portions of Anne Arundel County, just north of Annapolis there, and eventually this is going to work into portions of Arnold, north of Crownsville, up towards the Odenton area. Getting a little bit of rotation also showing up there. So wouldn't be surprised as this starts to cross over the bay. We get a little bit of an influence there where we get some of that rotation that may end up in the portions of Queen Anne's as well as southern portions of Kent County. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But once again, the reason why we're with you here on television interrupting programming is because of the tornado warning once again, unfortunately, for our friends out here in Howard County and right around the Columbia area. We're still seeing a little bit of that rotation. This is going to go until 3:45. It says 3:40 here on the radar. Right now it is 3:43 on the clock here in the studio as we're waiting for the data to update. We got about 3 minutes to go. Still want you in that safe spot. Even after this expires, we still want you to stay in that safe spot. If we can go back over to regular radar mode, you'll be able to see once again not much of a defined hook. Most likely have that warning with that little kink that's right there, right around Columbia. A lot of lightning with this. Also some hail. Being reported, and also some wind damage back out towards the Damascus area. Numerous trees and power lines down out there in northern portions of Montgomery County, according to the Weather Service chat. Tornado warning right now, 3:45. Once again, Howard County, northern portions of Anne Arundel County, Columbia area. Got a little bit of that hail over you, pea size at best, maybe quarter size hail as this continues to sink off to the south. Also a little bit of hail showing up downtown over Baltimore City itself, down by the Inner Harbor up towards the Brooklyn area. So tornado warning until 3:45, severe thunderstorm warning until 4:15. Going to send it back over to meteorologist Marcus Walter with another update.
And again, we are tracking this information. And with the severe thunderstorm warning, we've seen they are estimating winds to be right around or reaching up to 70 miles per hour. So we're talking about some dangerous wind gusts with this activity.